Now in this video, we will link MySQL database to Ignition SCADA. Now if you go to the status of your SCADA screen, or the SCADA dashboard, you will see database. In my case, it says 1 connected, but if you're doing for the first time, it will say 0 connected or nothing is connected. So let's open this one. And here you can see my database is valid and it is working. So I will delete this one and show you how does it work, how to add it. So let me delete this one first. Okay, now when you open your status again, it will be 00. So click on the databases. It will be like this, and let's create new and create new database. Now here you have to select various database option. Now because I'm using MySQL, I will click MySQL connector. Maybe you have a database of Firebird or IBM or Microsoft SQL, Oracle or PostgreSQL. So based on which SQL database you have installed, you can select different plugins. I will choose MySQL connector J. This is the relevant one. Click next. And now you have this window with various information. So don't worry, I will tell you what is that. First is you have to name your database. So I will write database, just a database, or database underscore CAC, code and compile. Okay, description, database defined for Ignition SCADA course, whatever you want to put. Driver should be like this, MySQL connector J. This is by default because we select that in the first step. Now connects shows the connect URL. You have to put a URL here. It's by default here. It says host. Now if you remember, the host was localhost. I choose in the first step while explaining MySQL. Port we have defined 3306. Now database is which database you want to connect. It says here test. Now if I open my window here, now I have a database SYS. Okay, so I have to select this SYS. The test here was by default because of my last examples. So I will use SYS. So once again, this will be by default like this. The host is my local host, port is 3306, database is SYS. Make sure you do that. Root, username is the root because we defined this username in our databases in the first step. And the password, I will put the password which I defined for my database, not the Ignition password. This is the password we defined while installation of MySQL. So you need to remember that. So we need a username, we need a password, we need a URL, which is this one. And that's it. Just click create new database connection. So it's quite easy. So it says status valid, MySQL connector, and this is connected. All right. Now so this is how you just have to make a connection. Okay, you have to make sure this is valid here. This is very important. And once you go back to your connection, you will see one database, one is defined and one is connected. If it is 1/0, it means it's not connected. So you have to check the various parameters you have used to connect it. Okay. This is simple about how to connect a database in Ignition SCADA. So in the next video, I will show you some scripts which I will use to check the validity of the data between SCADA and between MySQL. All right. I'll see you in the next video.